Ready to command excavators with precision and skill? Interstate Heavy Equipment presents an exclusive guide, How to Operate Excavators with Precision and Skill. What awaits you? Number 1. Precision Techniques. Delve into step-by-step instructions for mastering the intricate controls and maneuvers of excavators. Number 2. Efficient Excavation. Learn how to optimize your excavation processes for maximum efficiency, saving time and resources. Number 3. Safety First. Prioritize safety with dedicated modules on excavator safety measures, ensuring secure operations in any environment. Number 4. Advanced Skills. Elevate your expertise with advanced techniques for specialized excavation tasks and projects. Why choose Interstate Heavy Equipment? From basic controls to advanced applications, our guide ensures a comprehensive understanding of excavator operations. Crafted by industry professionals with extensive excavator operation experience, our guide offers insights you can trust. Conveniently access our guide through our user-friendly website, interstateheavyequipment.com. Ready to excavate with precision? Contact us. Equip yourself with the skills to operate excavators with finesse. Dial 469-370-7501 to connect with our experts and begin your journey to excavator mastery. Don't miss out. Visit interstateheavyequipment.com now.